Video just showing how to tangle the R code and run it in Emacs shell. So we have this file that we created. It's perfectly nicely formatted org mode, and we need to add a little header information in order to make that happen. So we need the information about Tangle, and the name of the file we want to use. In this case, I'm just going to call the file mtcars.R. So the keyword here means tell org that we want to tangle a file, and tell it that when we do that, we want to call it mtcars.R. The other thing we would like to add is comments both. Now this has the effect that the description that is previous, that comes right before the code chunk, basically all of this, is going to be added to the .r file as a comment, so as to let us know what it's about. So we're going to do that. I'm going to hide these results because we don't need them, and I'm going to apply the org-babel command to Tangle. The command is called Alt-X MX org-babel-tangle. The short version for that is CCCVT, and you will see it in a moment in the echo buffer. So if I do this, I'm informed one code block has been tangled, and I'm also told that the short version for this command that I just typed is CCCVT, if you can remember that. Now we go back to the buffer, the org mode buffer, and we refresh it with G, and you see the file here. Now what I want to do, I don't want to look at the file yet, I just want to execute it. For that, I need to open another buffer. I'm going to go down there, Ctrl-X-O, and I type mx eshell. That's the shell inside Emacs. It's a perfectly fine UNIX shell. I'm going to make it a little bigger. And first of all, I need to find out if the command I need to execute this R file is available. I type which Rscript. That's the name of this command, and it's there. So now I can just execute the R file, the Rscript, by typing Rscript mtcars.R, and this leads to the expected result. This is exactly the same result that we got in first.org here. Yeah, same result. That's all really. The last thing here to do is to look at the mtcars file to see. Let me to confirm to you that this command, comments both, actually led to us creating some comments. So I'm going to go to mtcars and I open it, and you can see the chunk in first.org that was right before the chunk, before the code block here, has been entered into the file as a comment. Yeah. Otherwise, there's only one line of code here, and that's it.